Let's say you have a customer who's looking for a professional office uniform that could be worn by all of their employees, a bank or maybe a hotel chain. There are a few things you want to keep in mind when you're preparing options you'd like to present to them. First, most professional businesses have some sort of color palette and brand guidelines that they need to follow. Make sure that you understand what colors you have to work with and how and where they can be used. You want to choose pieces that match those brand colors or are complementary to them. One example that you'll probably see often is navy and gray. Next, you want to know what kind of office space the customer has. Are employees always indoors in a climate-controlled space, or are some going to be outdoors as well? Are they going to be doing physical labor? Knowing the nature of the work being done will help you choose pieces that will work best for them. Once you understand these things, you can put together options for outfits by layering either on a mannequin or on a hanger. Start with the basics: t-shirt, polo, or woven shirt and a pair of pants. Add a sweater or a soft-shell jacket, for example. Add accessories like shoes, socks, a tie, a scarf, and jewelry to complete the overall look. You may not sell everything you present to them, but you've planted a seed that the customer will remember, and they'll come back to you later for more. Also, get creative with what you add. Keep a basket of accessories at your office filled with extra scarves and ties, plain jewelry, and even fun socks. Use these items when you're putting together the different looks for your presentations. Remember, just because it's a uniform doesn't mean it has to be boring. By being creative and providing different options, you can build something that both employers and employees want to wear.